Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to try and answer one of the questions that I've seen a lot on my previous videos. Why would Forex brokers want you to lose? Why do Forex brokers want you to lose? So we're going to just touch on that in this video. By the way, if you are new on the channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. Go ahead and like the videos. If I don't entertain you, you'll probably learn one or two things. So go ahead and like the video. If you are looking for Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, that people are selling out there, you can get them for free using the links in the description box below. Everything that we do on this channel is definitely for free. So go ahead and visit those blogs. Many people also ask me about the broker that I use. Their link is in the description box below. Go ahead and sign up with them. With just $5, you can start trading with their real life trading account, which you can use to test your Forex robots, your trading strategies, everything in a real life market conditions. So let's go ahead and sign up with them. Getting back to our video, why would Forex brokers want you to lose? Do Forex brokers really want you to lose? I think it's a common question that is often asked, especially by beginning traders when you have taken a few losses and you start doubting. That's when you start hearing people say it's a scam. The brokers are out to get us and things like that. I'm not saying that brokers are saints. I'm not saying brokers are angels. But here's a scenario. Because people say yes, brokers are out to get you. Brokers want you to lose. Here's a scenario. If you look at how people trade, this is a real world example. You find that when people first get into trading, they start by depositing a small amount. They start by depositing small amounts into their trading accounts. Then they start growing from there. So it doesn't really make sense for a broker to then make you lose on that small amount, because eventually then you would what? You would then stop trading. Or if you also think about it, brokers spend a lot of money trying to attract business. They are trying to attract business, new customers, because as a trader, you are basically their customer. So you find that if you go online right now, there are many adverts from these brokers trying to get you to join their brokerage firm. They are spending a lot of money trying to get you what? To be their customer. So if then they make you lose, if then they make you lose your $100 account, your $10,000 account, your $500 account, essentially they are also losing a what? A customer. And they are going to need to spend a whole lot more money in order to attract new customers. So, in essence, they don't necessarily, most of the time, now I don't want to say all the time, let's say 80%, 90% of the time, the brokers are not interested in you losing, especially if you are trading with an ECN broker. If you are trading with an ECN broker as well as a regulated broker and everything's above board and things like that, they are not really interested in you losing. Let's face it, if your broker also charges commissions, they instead actually want you to trade more. They want you to trade more so that what? They can charge you commissions when you when you open a trade, when you close a trade, and things like that, so that they can charge you. It's more beneficial for them to keep you as a customer. That way they make more money rather than make you lose and then you stop trading and you close your account and you go off somewhere there. It really doesn't make a business sense. However, that is not to say that there are no some shady brokers out there. Of course, there are. In every industry, you find people who are doing some shady things. It's like in every industry. So you find brokers that act as broker dealers, like they are market makers. Those are the guys who, for example, they take every trade against you. Instead of putting through your trades to the market, what they basically do is they just trade against you. So those ones, of course, it's in their interest that what you lose your trade, because if you win your trade, it means you are taking money out of their own pocket. You are taking money out of their own pocket. So those ones are really interested in you losing in that sense. But still, for them, it's not a viable business model, because if you lose again, it means you're going to close your account and you're going to move on to some other broker, and now they have to find new customers. So in essence, the the good brokers, they don't really want you to lose. They rather want to keep you as a customer, because it costs them a whole lot more to attract customers. Now it's so competitive. There are so many brokers out there. So it's so competitive. If they make you lose, and then you lose heart and you close your trading account, it means they've lost a customer, and now they have to spend a whole lot more money, a whole lot more effort trying to attract new customers, which is not easy, and it costs a whole lot of money. So why would they want you to lose in that scenario? If you're with a genuine broker like my broker, they don't really want you to lose. In fact, only without what they would want you to do is that you trade more. Either they charge you a whole lot of commission, or they actually get paid a lot with the trades that they are putting through with the other guys that are down the network that actually put the orders to the direct market. So the traffic that they will be generating for those guys, this model especially works in stocks. So the commission, the money, the traffic that they are generating, they actually get paid for that. So they would rather keep you as a customer than see you lose your money and then you move on and you find another broker. So the idea of people saying brokers want you to lose and things like that, 95, 85% of the time, it's actually just people, beginning traders, or people who have just been losing money and cannot take responsibility and things like that. Of course, here and there you find some shady brokers, but yeah, that's it. So if you have any thoughts on this matter, on this subject, leave your comments in the comment section below. I'd like to hear what you think about the subject. Why would brokers want you to lose? Subscribe, like the video. I will see you guys in the next videos. Bye.